Thank you for joining me with Forex Trends for your trading day of April 6th, 2011. In this video, I'll be giving you my analysis for most of the major currency pairs and gold, oil, natural gas, and silver. If you'd like to compare my analysis with price movement, please open the previous video of April 5th, 2011. And with gold, making new highs. Nice bull run today, so if you went long, then you obviously did pretty well. We're looking into some of the extremes on the 4-hour chart, so I'm waiting for a pullback to some moving averages, or for the upward slope that we see here with some strong support with some of my technical indicators, and then I'll be looking for a long position. But I'm bullish on gold. And with silver, continue to make newer highs. You have to go bullish on this. You have to go look for long opportunities. Wait for a pullback to some moving averages. I'm going to wait for some strong support with my indicators before looking for a long position. And with oil, strong uptrend. However, I'm starting to see some sort of divergence with just my indicators here below the chart. So, I'm waiting for that pullback. For looking for another long position with oil, but I really need to see this trend sort of break down, slow sell off, and then look for a long position and hopefully catch another run with oil. And natural gas, I was anticipating for this bull run to slow down and start to roll over, which it's doing. So now I'm just looking for a nice entry point to go long on the natural gas. However, this could still sell off and maybe reach the previous lows, but I'm going to really need to see a nice strong to the upside, a nice bounce on the daily before looking for a long position on the natural gas. And for the Euro-US pair, continue looking for long opportunities. I went long today. My previous trade I went long and closed it just due to some of the weakness in the movement, and the histogram turning bearish. Histogram and Heiken actually went positive. You know what? I went long. I'm up some pips here. I went long at 1.42 area, 4208 to be exact, and I'm up quite substantially on my trade. However, you know what? I think I'm going to continue to hold this long position. I think we have a lot of momentum building here to start making some newer highs. I'm just going to point out a level of resistance here, and we're pretty much starting to break through that, so I really see a lot of more opportunity to the upside with this pair, so I'm going to continue holding my position on the long side. And with the Euro Aussie, I was talking about this in my previous video of how I went long at 137.06. Just we started seeing some major support here. It didn't close below the 165 area for too long, so I went long. Histogram started turning positive, and I was thinking maybe we're going to catch a short-term bottom. And so far, today's trading session went my way. So I'm up on my trade. I'm going to bring my entry point to, my stop loss to my entry point, and if it starts to reverse quick on me here and we have a nice big sharp sell-off, I'll be breaking even on this trade. But I'm going to continue holding, looking for possibly this starting to make some newer highs. But if I do see a slight sign of a reversal on the shorter term charts, I might just exit my position and take my gain. But for tomorrow, I'm looking for this price movement to go higher. And the Euro Jap, I really missed a huge trade here with this major support break. This line actually travels back in time several months, but went really strong to the upside today. It did not trade it to the upside. Should have, but wasn't comfortable trading it. Still not comfortable trading it. So I'm going to continue analyzing this chart, looking for possibly another long position. But I really need to see this price movement pull back to some support before going long. However, if we're looking at, since the break, we're looking at 6 cents, 600 pips of movement to the upside that I missed, and hope that you're gaining on it. But you have to be disciplined with trading, so you don't trade outside your plan. But yeah, I'm going to continue looking for a long position on this pair. And the euro pound. I posted the video yesterday stating that this bullish trend could be slowing, and I was waiting for a pullback to some this upward slope or some moving averages. I was looking for another long position. Histograms turned very bullish. I'm not going to go long, I don't think, unless I do see a strong movement to the upside. I think I'll try and play along, but I'm really thinking that this could potentially break this upward slope, and we're going to start to see some more selling. So I'm really cautious on this pair, but I'm going to see what my decision would be for tomorrow. I think I might go long. However, I'm really starting to turn bearish on this pair. But the trend is still up. We're down at the end of the slope, so this does present higher profitable trades to the upside with this pair. So I'll look for a long position, but I'm very cautious entering them long. And the Euro CAD didn't do so good on this pair today. Yesterday's videos, I was mentioning that I was waiting for a sharp sell-off, and it happened. So I started to join that short. I went short again, at 136.98. And then it reversed on me really quick. I held my position though, thinking that maybe this was still going to continue going, and I lost. I closed my position there for like 25 pips in the negative. But I'm still looking for a short here. This could still reverse to the long side. We are in a high opportunity trade to the long side, but I was really thinking that this was going to sell off some more. I can put up another downward slope here. So if we start closing above this and these moving averages starting to turn positive, I think I might go for a long position just due to the fact that we are in this upward trend. But I really thought that was going to break. It didn't happen, and it cost me. So I'm gonna tomorrow's trading activity. I'll be looking for another sell-off to happen. However, if it does start to break above this downward slope here, I'll may consider going long on this pair. And for the pound US, this pair did very well. This pair, for my position that I went long on, because I believe in this channel here, and it held. And I was continuing to look for more long positions, but I went long there a few days ago at 161.07, and I didn't close my position. It wasn't enough selling off to close it from yesterday's video. I mentioned that I was going to hold my position, and shortly after we started seeing the rally, so it went in my favor. And we're kind of getting up to this upward end of this channel here, so I'm up quite a bit. I'm not going to exit my position though. I really think that we could see maybe even hit this top and break above it. But if I do see a shorter-term signals telling me that the momentum's starting to switch, I think I'll exit my position and take my gains and look for another long opportunity on this pair. And for the US Swiss pair, I was really looking for another long opportunity here. I didn't go long today, even though price movement did go higher. It just didn't have the strength that I was looking for. I was really looking for a nice, real strong spike to the upside to possibly start breaking this channel. Didn't get it, but I continue looking for another long position on this pair. If I do see a sell-off, I'll wait for that sell-off to slow down. I'm still comfortable going long even after the short-term rally today. If I do see a strong spike to the upside, I think I'll go long. After that strength has really shown the market its potential to possibly break this downward slope. And for the US CAD pair, I continue to look for a short position. Yesterday's trade, I was up, and then it rallied back on me here, and it stopped me out at my entry point. I didn't really put much effort into that trade, but I was looking for this the short-term rally to break down. We're at some support, so I was really looking for another short opportunity here, and I got it. I went short at 0.9653 to be exact. I'm up about 30 pips on my trade right now, or 25-ish or so. I'm comfortable holding this position. If it does reverse on me, I might move my stop to my entry point. However, I'm really bearish on this pair, and I really think that we're going to see some more downside in tomorrow's trading activity. And for the Aussie-US pair, I went short in the previous trading day at 1.035. I was up on my trade, and if it reversed on me, I was gonna possibly try and cover my losses and move my stop loss to my entry point, which I ended up doing. It had a nice strong reversal, and it kicked me out at my entry point. So, where do we go from here? Histogram is still bearish, but we do have some strong momentum to the upside. I think I'm going to step aside from this pair unless I really see a strong movement to the upside tomorrow. Will I go long again? But I don't think I'm going to short it again. But I really need to see some strong movement to the upside before I'm going to go long on tomorrow's trading activity. And the Aussie CAD, in yesterday's video, I was indicating that I was looking for a sell-off unless I seen a strong reversal to the upside, would I have went long, but I was looking for a possible short position, and I did go short today at 0.99907 to be exact. And I was up on my trade, and I still hold my position. However, I'm really considering starting to exit it. I'm still up slightly, but if it's at the close of this fourth hour, if it's a strong Heikin-Ashi signal, I think I'm just going to close my position, regardless of if I'm up or down, just due to the fact that I really thought this was going to start breaking much lower, but it kind of held some support. So I'm sort of questioning my short position right now. So for tomorrow's trading, I'll possibly be looking for another short position, but at the close of this fourth hour, I think I might be exiting my position. And the Aussie New Zealand has proven me quite well here in the previous trading days. I've been short at the 135.7 area. I'm up quite substantially, and I continue holding my short. I'm really waiting for a strong reversal to the upside before closing. All my indicators on this screen and my other technical analysis indicators have been telling me that this is going to continue going in my favor. So for tomorrow's trading activity, I'm going to continue holding my short unless I see a nice strong pop up to the upside. And last but not least, the New Zealand US. I was looking for long opportunities today. I haven't got it. We're starting to see some momentum now. I'm very cautious about playing this pair to the long side now, or just playing this pair in general. I really need to see some retracement to some moving averages. I'm waiting for that retracement to slow down before considering going long again. I think I'm going to be on the sidelines with this pair for now. I've done quite well with it, and now I just need to wait for a better opportunity to trade. And thanks for joining me with Forex Trends for your trading day of April 6th of 2011. If you'd like to compare my analysis of price movement, please open the previous video for April 5th of 2011. And good luck, guys.